Alright, y'all know what time it is, it's YouTube! So let me stop playing. I know everybody be tired of me screaming in here. I scream all goddamn day long. Alright, Leekautorepair, y'all smash the like button. Help a nigga to get 8,000. I'll probably be there in the next week or two. Yeah, then the next 2 weeks I'll be at 8,000, so pat on the back right there. Recognition from me, not you. Anyway, so this video, this is gonna be a quick vlog. I know y'all like shop talk. People who been to tech school, people who looking to get in this field, you always gonna need some tips and tricks and shit, so I got you. So, came up with this idea literally like an hour ago. I'm having a bad day, so that's what we're gonna talk about in this video. You having a bad day at work. So, what does your bad day involve consist of fucking anything? A job that fucking went wrong, you losing money, or you getting your ass kicked on the job that's taking too long, or you got injured, or gotta come back. I don't know what your issue is, but for me, I got this one car. It's a 2010 Chevy Traverse, and on this one originally she came in, the compressor's running in the background. She came in she had an AC leak. Well, originally one of the guys in the shop charged it up, and then she came back, and then I looked at it, and then, oh, this is actually one of my customers though. So, you know, I looked at it, and I found the leak. Not only was there one leak, there was two leaks. So I replaced one line, but the other line was expensive, and you had to get it from the dealer too. And I use compression fittings on AC compression fittings on you know, 1 or 2 cars before, and I made out with, I came out good, no leaks and nothing like that. But in this case, I tried to repair the line to save her some money or whatever. I was only trying to save her some money, but I know I should have replaced the line or whatever. You doing AC lines, do not hack the line unless you can't find a line at the dealership. That's the only time I'll probably do, unless it's too fucking expensive. But this one didn't work at all. Car left cold, came back hot. Not only that, the refrigerant was low, so because it was leaking. So the Chevy Traverses, if you read the certification labels or the label for the AC, they do install dye in the car already, so you don't have to add no dye to the newer Chevys or anything after 2006 or 7. I'm not sure on the year, but most of them Jones, like majority of them, already come with AC dye in there from the rip. So I whipped out my yellow glasses and the black light John, found the leak from the compression fitting that I installed or whatever. Cool. So I had to eat $162, and I went to go get the line at Chevy. Not only was the line, I had to lose money on the line, but there was a hole in the line, like it was another piece on the line. It was like one line connected to another line, like a Y shape or something like that. And basically, hold on, let me show you. Here's the old line right here. See how long this line is? Probably like fucking 10 feet long, I think. But this part right here was corroded. This around here where it meets right here, I guess it's some type of weld. Somebody jointed, well, they jointed, welded or whatever from the factory or whatever. Shitty. So I'll go to install the parts, and I noticed, I'm like, why the fuck is it all corroded like that? And then, you know, I touched it and it's like flappy. So I'm like, what the fuck is going on? And then next thing you know, the motherfucker broke off with ease. I didn't have to fucking touch it. It broke off with ease. Now I don't know how the fuck I missed that. So it was corroded inside the pipe and outside. And I tried to explain to the dude, ain't no way in hell I could have done that in 24/7. So took it back, got a new line, installed the new line, getting optimistic about the job, thinking I'm going to finish, you know, give her, because I like the PC people happy and shit. You know, they happy, I'm cool. I'm not mad, I got to eat the money, I just want the car done so she can get her will. You know what I mean? So, you know, I go to charge the bitch up. Already knew about this, but it wasn't a problem then. The cooling fans don't work at high speed. They work at low speeds, and then 2, they kick on late. They don't kick on time. When I turn the AC on, hit the button, when it's supposed to be commanded, the fans don't run. The fan's supposed to run automatically from the fucking rip and shit, so it don't run at fucking high speeds. The only time it kicks on, I guess, if the engine gets too hot. So I'm like, let me try to see if the car overheat or whatever. So, you know, I repped it like $3 grand for like a minute or two. The needle bumps up, the car goes up to like 220 something fucking degrees and shit. I'm expecting for the high speed fans to kick on. Still didn't fucking kick on. It was like at a medium setting or like a low setting. So I took the scan tool, commanded it 1, 2, and 3. Them bitches literally was running fucking hard. So I'm like, we got like some type of computer issue or issue with the fan, or it could be like some type of, I don't believe that the pressure sensor is at fault, because it's like dead on with the manifold gauge. So if I would have noticed something fluky, you know what I mean? And plus, the sensor, actually, I think that, no, the sensor ain't new, because I had to swap it over from another line. So I don't think there's anything wrong with the pressure switch. It could be, who knows? I don't know. But for the most part, I gotta diagnose shit now. I fixed the leak problem. There ain't no fucking leaks, but that cooling fans don't fucking work as they supposed to. So that made me the fuck mad, because I wanted to give her car back with fucking good air and shit, and she mad. And her brother called to see what's up. Her brother was cool on the phone, whatever. And now normally when customer be mad, I be expecting for them to get out of pocket. Like me, I handle myself regardless. I don't let nobody get out of pocket with me and shit, and it just don't roll like that. Shit ain't sweet over here. But he was cool ass dude, like cool ass dude. He came all correct. He just want to understand what's going on. I let him know that there's an issue with the cooling fan, and I'm like, yo, if the cooling fans don't work and you got the refrigerant passing through, it's not supposed to pass throughout the same temperature and shit. It's supposed to come out half the fucking temperature and shit. If it's too fucking hot, you will never get cold air, period. So I'm like, listen, I never touch the fans. I don't know what the hell is going on, but for me to figure out what's going on, I need to diagnose and do process of elimination and test out some shit or whatever, and then go from there. So that's gonna be another day that she gotta come back. So it'll be like her 4th time coming back, and I just felt like, and on top of that, I got other shit to do. I got cars to fucking attend to, man. Like, I got, like, y'all see, I just finished up that Audi engine job, and look at this fucking 2015 Volkswagen Tiguan. It's a I think it's a 2.5 probably. I'm not sure. I ain't no fucking Audi specialist. But it's a 4-cylinder. Let me see. Is it 2.5? I don't know. It don't fucking say on this label. But 4-cylinder engine. I got to do timing chains on it. The bitch sound like shit. Let me try to start it so y'all can at least hear. So y'all can feel my well, it's noisy as shit. And it runs like shit. Well, I mean, it's just noisy for the most part, and then it stalls. I ain't even sure if this is a non-interference motor. Even if they be like non-interference, that shit don't fucking mean nothing. But there's no codes indicating that the timing is off. Coming from the owner looked at it, and I guess he put like a little list on it. So I didn't see any advanced timing codes or retarded or anything like that. Nah, it's just probably the gods fucked up or something like that. I mean, even if it probably jumped to 2. Who knows? So I gotta like strip this bitch down and make sure it's timed before I fucking start doing the job and shit. So timing chains, Tiguan. I remember I never really had to do much on these but oil change. I put a transmission in one of these before. I really didn't. I did brakes. I ain't never did nothing major and shit. And then I'm working on a fucking like a 2011 MKX or MKZ or some, or no, MKT or MKX or one of them bitches, and I with the SUV joint. And joint look like the Ford Escape. You know, I'm asked to do a few suspension parts in the rear, and then, you know, motherfucking adding parts, and then trying to inspect the car tonight. And then I'm all busy in the January. I'm just cluttered all over the fuck the place and shit, man. I'm just trying to please motherfuckers. So if you having a fucking bad day, like, listen, you cuss up a storm, get mad, go smoke. Go, I don't know what you do. For me, I smoke all the fucking time. But like, don't be trying to be overachiever. Take your ass home and just come back to it the fucking next day, because this shit just too much to fucking handle, man. Fixing cars becomes stressful after a while. Trying to meet motherfuckers' expectations. You got motherfuckers mad at you, and then just getting you to just yo-yo you and around and shit like you a toy and shit, like. But one day at a time, that's all you can fucking do and shit. So if you got a shitty ass day, just walk that shit off, come back tomorrow with a different mindset. Shit might fucking click. You might have a bad 7 days, a bad whole week. I don't fucking know your ordeal and shit, like, but Don't be letting these cars get to you. These cars are just stressful. You know, just trying to get them done. You know, these customers, they don't care what you think is wrong or what you know. All they know is how much they paying to get it done, and they waiting on delivery. They waiting on you to get fucking done so they can pick up their will. They don't care about what you go through, period. So, listen, take it one day at a time. One day at a fucking time, man. You got an honest customer, or just, I mean, if you do good work like me, like, you know, I'll let them know, like, you know, I'm doing my best over here. You know, I'm trying to, like, look out. And I even offered when she come back for the cooling fans, because, you know, I felt bad she ain't got no air. I told her, like, listen, I'll look out, because I know it's going to be diagnostic fee. I'll work with you. Whatever it is, I work with you, because, you know, I know apparently you ain't got no problem paying, but your car got more than 1 or 2, 3 issues and shit. So need some more, like some TLC, some more attention. It all can be figured out. That's why they make time, right? So, bad day. I just told you, walk it the fuck off. Don't let it get to you. Let me know if you today or this week or whatever. I know there's people out there that got crap jobs, or you got fucking shitted on, period, or just a bad week, a bad month, this car kicking your ass. If you need tips from me or something, or whatever, I don't know, leave it in the comments. I'll get back to y'all. So once again, I ain't gonna edit this video. It's gonna be a straight upload. I tell you, I don't edit vlogs. I try to keep it real for motherfuckers and shit. That's the type of nigga I am. Let y'all know that and shit. So, like, Leekautorepair, I'm tired of fucking repeating it. I'm getting the fuck out of here. I'll holla at y'all.